personnel have been raised to 20,097 per month. Under Mukhyamantri Shramik Kalyan Prakalpa, my government has allotted 53.72 crore acres of land to 1,343 tea workers' families without premium. The digit unique land parcel identification number or Bhu Aadhaar has been generated for all land parcels, providing a unique identity number for each parcel, transaction history for last 20 years, and legacy deeds pertaining from 2011 to 2024 has been integrated. My government continues the endeavor to revive, nourish, development and promote the rich cultural heritage of different ethnic groups of the state. For the financial year 2024-25, 122 events have been planned consisting of 501 programs to showcase the diverse and beautiful heritage and culture of the state. To boost cultural promotion and fraternity among different parts of the country, my government has sent cultural troops to different states such as Assam and Rajasthan, and is in the process of executing a memorandum of understanding with the government of Uttar Pradesh. My government is implementing the journalist welfare scheme and journalist pension scheme to look after their well-being. All logistics supports are being provided to cover the journalists under Chief Minister Jan Arogya Yojana. My government is committed to the overall development of sports in the state. A significant number of infrastructure, including 7 synthetic football grounds, 1 synthetic athletic track, swimming pool, and indoor halls have been created. One-time financial assistance is provided to talented female sports persons under the Mukhyamantri State Talent Search Program. Cash awards are given to medal holders and coaches under the Mukhyamantri Pratibhashali Puraskar scheme. Medical insurance will be provided under the Mukhyamantri Sports Development scheme. My government believes in the slogan Jago Yuva Shakti and successfully organized the state level youth festival 2024 at Unnakoti district. My government is committed to provide an employment following a transparent process of recruitment by which it has relentlessly created jobs. My government has recently completed the process of recruitment of 2,410 candidates through JRPT.